Hello everyone, this is going to be an INIU power bank update video as of 2023 of June 5th. So ladies and gentlemen, I purchased this 20,000 power bank with my own money, and this 25,000 65 watt INIU personally sent this out to me. Disclaimer, I am not sponsored or affiliated, or we did not exchange money or gifts for this review. I have my own obligation to review the product the way I wanted to, so therefore take it with a grain of salt. Please do subscribe, like, and share the content because it does help when you click that like button. It does help me grow on this channel. With that said, as someone that's been doing weapons and documentarian, suffering from homelessness, and as a photographer, power banks come in handy. So let me explain what's going on and let me keep you guys up to date here. So with that said, very good 20,000 milliamp power bank. So a little inconsistencies when charging it though. One day I was charging it, it was at 90%, and then all of a sudden it started jumping the numbers up to 100. So yeah, give or take. But display is great. You can visualize and see how much battery life you have left, which is great. But the 25,000 is barely hard to see. You can't barely see it. Now you can, because I'm in a dark space, but let's say you're in direct sunlight, you're not able to see it. But I noticed that it's much dimmer, and as you can see, if you compare the two, this one, the 20,000, is much brighter than the 25,000. So with that said, everyone, take this experience with a grain of salt. Also, update, I figured out what this was for. So when you're charging your phone, it goes like that. Yep, just like that. So as you're charging your phone, that's a phone holder. It holds your phone so you can watch your movies. Same thing with this contraption. They just made a smaller size of it. It makes sense, it's nice, but with that said, everyone, charging, let me explain how charging works. Now, if you're using a 45 watts, it would charge within 3 hours, both, guaranteed. But if you're using 22.5 watts charging capabilities, give or take about 6 hours to 8 hours. If you're using a proprietary normal charger with no fast charging, this can take up to 11 to 12 hours to charge. So keep that in mind, ladies and gentlemen. So, are these power banks very, very good? Yes, they are very, very good. Yes, they got some weight to them, but they last long, long time. Now, for the past couple of weeks, or the past 2 to 3 weeks with this product, I noticed I can get about 8 charges, 7 to 8 charges with this alone on my iPhone 11 Pro Max. Even though my Pro Max battery level is at 88%, still, I'm able to get about 7 to 8 charges from this 20,000 milliamp. Now, I haven't fully tested it on the 25,000, but I tried to use all of my devices. It just won't drain. So I got down to about 65% with this, and it took me an entire day to get there. So take it with a grain of salt. It lasts pretty much a long day. If you're looking for a power bank that does the service and it's protected, keep this in mind. There are a lot of power banks on Amazon that are not surge protection. This has surge protection. So keep that in mind, ladies and gentlemen. A lot of these power banks on Amazon do not have surge protection, but this one does. So there's no surging, there's no extra power going to destroy your ports on your iPhone or your Type-C ports. So with that said, everyone, this is the Panda Photographer. This has been an update. I just want to update you on the power banks. So, disclaimer, once again, I'm not affiliated, I'm not sponsored. They reached out to me. They asked me if I wanted to review one of their power banks. I said, sure, why not? After they saw me purchase this 20,000 milliamp power bank. So, take everything what I just said in my experience with a grain of salt. So please do like, share, hit the thumbs button, everyone. It really does help. And please do subscribe, like, and share. And I just said that on my Panda. But it really does help. Please. But eat, sleep, photography, power up, and repeat. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one. See ya.